Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I decided to host a high tea fit for the Queen. The main reason I decided to do so is just so that we can have a little fun. Mother's Day is coming up and this would be a perfect Mother's Day gift. So if you wish to do the same, I hope I can give you some good ideas in this video to create a fun, happy, nostalgic and Bridgerton inspired high tea for Mother's Day. The whole point is to use what you have and have fun with it. For me, I decided to host mine indoors because it's extremely chilly in Canada. I started off by using a lace curtain as my tablecloth. For the snacks, I wanted a little bit of savory and sweet, so I baked little mini chicken puffs. And I also made little mini tartlets that had chicken and spinach and cheese in a white sauce gravy. My wall was plain and had electrical outlets. So I took an old frame and replaced the picture with an old skirt. And that did the job. I took a 3-tier plate stand. Typically, you're supposed to have sandwiches at the bottom layer. So I made egg sandwiches and also cream cheese, cucumber and mint sandwiches. For the second layer, you're supposed to have scones with clotted cream and jam, which I have done, but I didn't bake them myself. And for the final and top layer, you typically would have something sweet. So I made mini chocolate cupcakes, also tiny colorful four petites. I also added more color by adding fruit to the empty spaces. For the second 2-tiered tray platter, I added the mini chicken puffs at the bottom and the chicken tartlets on the top. Now we are ready to lay the table. I start by putting both tiered trays on the table right in the center, and then I place the charger plates on either end. I follow it up by placing the bread and butter plates. I then place the teacups and saucers beside the plates, followed by the star of the show, which is the sugar, milk, and the teapot. For today's tea, I am serving Earl Grey. I've added a few flowers to add life and color to the table. Then I lay down all the utensils and napkins that are needed. I made a light fresh cream and strawberry cake. I didn't want to be perfect with the masking of it. I also wanted to try out something new, which was palette knife painting. It didn't turn out perfect. However, I had a lot of fun doing it, and the cake was to die for. I also finished off the tray with a lemon cake covered in marmalade sauce. And there we have it, a perfect high tea fit for the Queen. And now for the fun part. We get to dig in. How do you eat your scones? Do you put your cream first and then your jam, or your jam first and then your cream? Comment down below and let me know. The glove you see was made from the same tablecloth using a hot glue gun. What do you like to do at a high tea? I love to listen to classical music. I also love opening and reading a few romantic letters I purchased dating back to 1915. I hope you had fun and enjoyed this video. Until next time, love and XOXO.